Welcome to Imagine Dads. I'm Akira, and in this video, I want to share 3 summer fun creative ideas to connect with your kids. But first, let's roll intro. With summer fast approaching, it's a really great opportunity for you and the kids to commit new core memories to last a lifetime. Try at least one of these 3 summer fun tips to connect with your kids. So tip number 1, stand corrected. One of my favorite things I love to do with my son Hiro is to ask him, what did he learn today at school? He lights up when he tells me about something that he made. So I'll create the scenario at home for him to teach me what he learned. In this case, we're each supposed to make a bunny rabbit out of Play-Doh. So I let him show me how to make it, and then I would make it and purposely make a rock and ask him how I did. And he thinks it's the funniest thing. And then I ask him if he can help, and his face lights up with so much joy because he gets to slow things down and help me out and show me how to build it. So maybe you can observe something that your child can teach you, and you can provide the scenario where they can show you and even correct you. Aside from giving them the feeling of being in control of the moment, it will foster a core memory for them that they got to teach you something and help you with something that they love. Tip number 2, the car wash. Hiro loves to help me out with everything, but he especially loves to help me wash the car. Basically, rinsing the car off, rinsing the helper go hand in hand as standard practice, and it's tons of fun. If you have more than one hose, then that's just bonus. And I came up with the idea because I love to wash the car after we get back from the beach. It gives me a chance to wash up all the salt and grime off the car, but it also tops off a great time at the beach with an even greater time at home. Tip number 3, the shopping cart run. I try to teach Hiro to help at least one friend every day. At school, he has so many opportunities to help his friends, but when summer comes around, he'll miss a lot of those opportunities to help. Instead, I introduced him to the shopping cart run. What it is we go to a local business that has lots of shopping carts, and we land there during their least busiest time when there's the least amount of traffic. And then together, by my side, we run together and collect the shopping carts and bring them back in. It's great because it helps the workers bring them in, and Hiro loves riding the shopping carts. It's such a fun way to connect with him, and in the process, it helps others. So there's my 3 summer fun creative ideas to connect with your kids. Please comment below what tips might have helped you or give you some ideas to try. Alright, if you made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Please give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on post notifications because I drop one new video every week and you don't want to miss it. To everyone out there, love as much as you can, love as great as you can. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.